eggs and bacon with the cheese dam.
It's so hard to walk away.
Tilt that just a little better.
Yeah, it's Rasun. I didn't wanna give up, never on the love that we had, but everything happened so fast. Didn't wanna.
So hot. The cheese dam blew out. The bacon barely even smoked. Shoot, a cloudy, rainy morning, and the eggs were runny and the bacon was soggy, but it's okay.
Like Patty says, off to see the wizard. See you later, Patrick.
Okay, love ya. Chain dropped off.
Maybe not.
Now you gotta grease up your fingers for the game.
Hope you remember the good times.
We're back to cooking on the GoSun Sport. I've got some little gorgeous potatoes in here, a variety of styles and colors.
To break your heart, I make you cry.
On my way off the island, I ran into a burrowing owl. Reminded me to go visit my buddy Dennis at his studio at the center of the underground reggae scene going on here in Southwest Florida.
Generation, they're women's lib, they're innovative, you know, and they want to help the world. And whether it's Plato's Closet or it's a solar cooker or it's anything that's positive in that aspect, they will support it. The younger generation will support what we're doing.
I never stop loving you, and I know that you love me too. After everything we done and what we've been through, we lost something we can't get back. I wish it didn't have to be that. Cause I remember how it was back then. In another life, I never thought that it would ever end. Remember how it used to be before things changed.
I was so glad that reggae artist Rasun was there to lay down some of the latest tracks under this beautiful light.
Still, I wish the best for you, no matter what.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have it, GoSun Sport, solar cooker, anywhere in the world, wherever you at, all you need is some sunshine and you cooking some good food. The only hobby I ever picked up in my life is cooking. I love to cook, all places, all times, anywhere, on tour, around the world. You don't even need no plug, no power, no nothing. You just gotta rock the GoSun and cook you some hot, good food. Yeah, man. That's a blessing.
Good times and it makes you smile. Cause some things never change.
It's about the food.
It's about the food.
This is
What is it? It's a way to make food.
Yeah.
Everyone gotta eat.
A ground beef, a quiche, a bunch of cookies, some spinach. It was such a treat to feed these cats and help them to feel some more beautiful music.
You're doing